Okay, I'm going to do a little experiment using the entirety of my room back there. Yeah, it's not very big, but this is my little experiment. It involves some root beer. Yep, root beer. Freshly opened. I drank a little bit of it already trying to do this. But what I'm going to do is chug, and then I'm going to jump up and down, and then I'm going to burp really loudly. It's going to be quite amazing. I enjoy doing it because it feels funny when the bubbles get all huge and like expand my tummy. Alright, here we go. Previews. I feel like I should drink some more. There's no way. Okay. That's definitely enough. I think I might puke if I drink any more. I don't want to puke. Okay. Here goes. I wonder if you can see me if I do this. Nope. Ooh, shoes. Should be enough. Hopefully. I feel like puking now. This wasn't a fun experiment anymore. I have to wait and wait and wait. There's half of it. Now to wait some more. Do 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 do. Well, doesn't seem to be coming. Wish it would. I'm out of breath anyways. Well, if it does come. Oh well. Too late. It was too late. Okay. Bye guys. This was a failed experiment, but it was still fun.